Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change country on iPhone without payment method. If you are using any iPhone and you want to change country or region in your iPhone without any payment method, so let's see how can you do that. So you can easily do that, but very first I recommend you have to try to check some settings to prevent any kind of issue. So you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. That might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to connect with the different, strongest and a stable network. Then go to Settings app here, go to General, go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. Then go to Language and Region, select region, and select your own region in which you are living. After that, go back, go to Date and Time section, enable this toggle to set your data time automatically. Then go back and here go to software update. Try to update your software. So after updating your software, you have to go back here, go to App Store, and just tap on your profile option in the top right. Tap on your Apple ID, and here just verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Then select country or region option from here, and you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living, or you can also try to select the country or region which you have just selected in your iPhone setting. So I'm gonna select this one here. So once I've selected, just tap on the continue option here, then tap on agree in the top right, and here you have to add your payment method. But if you don't have any payment method, just select this none option here. Then you have to add your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on the done option in the top right, and your country or region will be successfully changed without your payment method. So in this way, you can easily change country or region on your iPhone without any payment method. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.